Hello and welcome to the lesson. Today we'll be talking about lists in HTML. I'll show you how to create ordered and unordered lists and definition descriptions. I prepared an HTML document in which I'd like to create a list of cities. I'll start by creating an OL element. Keep in mind that OL stands for ordered list. I am using this type of list because I want to order the cities according to their size. Notice that individual items are created by LI elements. LI means list item. Let's start with the first city, which is Tokyo. I'll add a short comment for better orientation. HTML comments start with an exclamation mark and 2 dashes. After writing the text of the comment, close it by typing 2 more dashes. I'll save the file and refresh the browser. As you can see, Arabic numerals have been added automatically. Tokyo is the first entry, so there is a 1 right next to it. I'll add some more cities. The second item of the list is the city of New York. HTML lists are well designed because the structure that you create in the code is what you actually get in the browser. Also, the browser applies good formatting. I'll save the document and refresh the browser. You can see a well-organized list. But what if I want to replace Arabic numerals with Roman numerals? It's very simple. First, add a style attribute. Next, create the LIST-STYLE-TYPE property and set the value to upper Roman, which literally means uppercase Roman numerals. I'll save the document again and refresh it in a browser. As you can see, Arabic numerals have been replaced with Roman numerals. Notice that both the list items and Roman numerals are vertically aligned. Now I'd like to display a list of New York streets. To do that, I'll use an unordered list. First, I'll delete the current list and change the comment to unordered list. Unordered lists are created by the UL element. Individual items are again enclosed within LI elements. I'll refresh the browser to look at the result. As you can see, a circle bullet has been automatically added next to the name of the street. Let me add some more street names. Unordered lists are useful for listing items when the sequence doesn't matter. That's the reason that the numbering has been replaced with circle bullets. I'll refresh the browser again. As you can see, the list items have been formatted automatically. Keep in mind that you aren't limited only to circle bullets. For example, it's possible to change this default setting to square bullets. Again, I'll be using the LIST-STYLE-TYPE property, but this time I'll set the value to square. As you can see, the circle bullets have now been replaced with square bullets. Let's move ahead. I'd like to create a list of cities that includes more details about each city. The best way to do this is to use so-called definition lists. Definition lists are created by the DL element, which actually stands for definition list. Next is the definition term. In our case, it's Tokyo, so I'll enclose it within a DT element. To create a definition description, use the DD element. I'll paste some information about Tokyo from the clipboard because the text is a bit long and I don't want to make a mistake. I'll save the file and refresh the page in a browser. As you can see, the line right after the term being explained broke automatically. The text about Tokyo starts on a new line and is indented. Now I'd like to add another definition description to Tokyo. It's quite simple. I'll just create a new DD element, paste the text from clipboard, and refresh the browser. You can see that the new definition description has been displayed at the end of the list and aligned automatically with the previous description. Keep in mind that each item may include as many descriptions as you want. I'll add one more city. Such lists are frequently used to create online encyclopedias or dictionaries. Let's refresh the browser. As you can see, all definition terms aligned to a vertical axis. So are the definition descriptions, which are also indented. In this lesson, you learned how to create basic HTML lists. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time.